Hello kids! Welcome to the family, kids! Oh no, it's gone! My beautiful, majestic castle was right here just a moment ago. Where could it possibly have disappeared to? I don't understand. A whole castle doesn't just walk away. Maybe it's hiding. Is it behind this tiny little bush? No, the foundation is completely empty. Not a single brick left. I have to find it. A plumber never gives up on his home. The search begins. I'll check the mushroom forest first. Everything here is so much bigger than I remember. Stay focused, Mario. I mean, me. Look at these colors. But there's no castle here. Just spots and spores. Maybe it's deeper inside, hidden in the shadows. Wait, what's that? A cave? It's glowing with strange, shimmering crystals. My castle could definitely be through there. It's so quiet in here, just the sound of my boots on the stone. These crystals are beautiful, but they aren't my castle walls. Out of the cave and back into the light. But now, a river, a very fast, very blue, and very wet river. Great, I can see the other side. If I can just jump across these mossy rocks, I'll be one step closer to home. Here goes nothing. 1, 2, I've still got the moves. Jumping is what I do best. Almost there. Just a few more rocks to go. Whoa, this rock is way more slippery than it looks. Help! Wow! Splash! Well, at least the water is refreshing, but my overalls are going to take forever to dry. The sun is going down, and I've searched everywhere. The forest, the cave, the river, and still no castle. Maybe it's gone forever. Wait, what is that light? It's not the sun. It's magic. Look at all those sparkles in the air. It's coming back. I can see the towers. I can see the gate. My castle is returning from wherever it went. Yes! Haha, I knew you'd come back to me. Time to celebrate. Who's the best plumber in the world? I am. Wait, why is the wall turning see-through? No, 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 don't go away again. Stay right there. Oh, boy.